is a big haul. Look at all that food. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. The vlog that you guys are about to see is 2 different days combined together in one to show you guys footage of me baking and the biggest quarantine haul that we've ever done. So that's what you guys is about to watch. So I'm just coming on to intro the vlog to let you guys know that. And thank you guys for watching. And I know you guys gonna say, oh, we miss Babe and Sarah today. So you guys just gonna see a little peek of Babe and Sarah, because Tyler and I did the big haul and I was in the kitchen baking. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. And here is Babe and Sarah. Duh. Say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen. And there is Sarah. Being Sarah as usual. Being Sarah. You guys, I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to make bread pudding. I haven't made bread pudding in a long time. I haven't made bread pudding in a while and it's quarantine time, so why not? So come along with me while I show you how I'm gonna make my bread pudding. And I'm using a lot of bread back that I have in the freezer for a while, and I just take them out, so I'm gonna cut them up and make my bread pudding right now. Another supermarket week. That's it. All the bags. Let's see what Babe got. Oh, you guys, it's another day of supermarket haul. Of course, Tyler wants to do the supermarket haul with me, but of course he can't touch anything. Say hello. All right, let's go. Let's see what Papa got.
Chicken.
Yep. Let's go faster. This one. Sausage.
Sausage. Cock chicken.
Cock.
Cock chicken. Cock chicken. Cock chicken. Cock chicken.
Yes, that's all we eat around here. Chicken, 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 chicken.
Donut.
Donut snack for Tyler.
I don't remember how it's called. Cookie now.
Cookie for Tyler, babe. Say who's it for, Tyler? Bring
Message red.
this.
Peanut.
No, it's yes. What's this?
Bread.
No. No, it's your favorite thing to have for lunch. Noodle soup.
Hey.
Ah, Papa buy small cakes from Mama. Ooh, yes. He got my oats with all the seeds in it. Yes. he got tortilla cup or taco cup, whichever one you want to call it. And he got
Snacks for me.
unsalted peanuts and cashew. It was cashew the first one. It wasn't peanuts. Alright. So what else we have in here? Oh, we got chicken in package.
I never had that much.
Yeah? How much was the bill?
300.
That is
Really?
kiwi and
Full,
lemon.
look out, full.
Mama,
This
that
is-
is kiwi and
No,
lemon.
it's Ziploc bags.
Sauce living?
Yes, pepper, cayenne, yes, yes, yes. I've been wanting to get this. Thank you, honey. You did well.
You go shower.
Okay. Quinoa. Tyler, help me.
How?
No, don't touch. Just tell me.
Happy biscuit. Why is so big the packet?
Because you eat a lot. More
My
bread.
favorite.
Yeah. Oh, and more.
My
And
favorite.
more.
My favorite.
Can you tell Babe and Tyler eat a lot of these?
You know why Papa bring a lot?
Why?
Like
Tyler, go back on your step.
Can,
Okay, what is this?
pizza.
And
Mini pizza.
what is this one? Flammekuche.
Oh, I thought it was pizza.
Frozen mango for smoothie. And tomatoes. Tyler, you're going too slow. And
Yogurt.
no. These are not the mini ones. These are the medium ones.
Yeah.
Tuna. Best salad ever.
Tomato.
No. What is it?
Strawberry.
Yeah.
I want to eat one today.
It's frozen time. More pizza and quiche. And ham and
Ham.
turkey. Oh.
Yogurt.
What's this?
Coconut milk.
Oh, you know that. I was expecting you to get it wrong. Okay, let's see. Ooh,
I can tell you
Parmesan.
what it is.
Okay, you don't know this one. It's Parmesan cheese.
Oh.
You see, when we go to the restaurant and we have pasta, this is the yummy cheese that they put on it.
Okay.
Okay, what's this?
Broccoli.
Oh, you didn't say trees.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, what's this? Rice.
Three.
More broccoli. Raisin because I'm gonna bake something. But this is so little. I should have been specific and tell him to get a big pack. More
Three.
broccoli. More cashew. We eat a lot of nuts around here. Healthy snack. Oh, corned beef. What's this one? M&M.
What to eat?
Ball to eat. Lemon.
No, it's the yellow ball. Yellow ball.
Yellow ball.
Oh, a big tree.
Silly. Oh my god, it's so much. Avocado.
No, it's green ball. Oh, look,
Banana. What's this?
Tennis racket.
Carrot. Sweet peppers.
I don't like sweet pepper.
No, you don't. What's this?
Green ball.
Apple.
Oh, I know what the apple
What's
is
this?
for. Ball. I
Me
know
too.
what
Everything
the
wrong is
apple
ball.
is for.
It's for what?
I know.
we gonna bake an apple pie?
Can
What
we
is
do
this?
it tomorrow?
Yes, we can
for
do it.
breakfast.
For breakfast? I'll think about it. What's this? Sweet potato.
Ha.
Okay, let's see if you're gonna get this one. What's this?
This is a racket.
This is
It's a racket of
That's-
tennis, and this is a tree.
this is Cucumber and this is Kellyanne.
Like that, Papa and me, we can play tennis with the
More
little
cucumber.
tennis and the other and the big tennis over there.
More sweet peppers.
No, it's a spicy pepper.
Y'all don't listen to that. I don't have any space to put it in. Ah. Okay, babe, got my favorite wine.
I cannot tell you what the other thing is.
And
Potato.
juice. It's so silly.
Potato.
More juice. And there's another bag of more juice, which I won't bother to show you guys. And
Punchy and a potato.
more yogurt. Really no sense. And more barbecue sausages. And more bananas. We eat a lot around here, girl. And
And green
more
onions for smoothie.
minced beef. I don't know what he's saying. And sweet pepper. And
Milk.
almond milk. Oh, and liver, baby, liver, nice. What is this?
This is, can you
Oh,
show me?
baby, barbecue pork.
No, it's a
Okay.
barbecue chicken.
No, that one is pork. And there's butter in here. I don't have any space to put the things. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. Y'all, I
Papa,
don't
buy
have
too
no,
much things.
I don't have no space. There's eggs in here.
Papa, buy too much things.
And there is wrap, wheat wrap.
Papa, buy too much.
Go back up there, Ty.
Right, Mama?
There is pie crust. Oh my gosh. This is the biggest quarantine haul we've ever done.
Leggings.
More wrap. Oh, then my oxtail.
I thought it was sushi.
What a surprise.
I
Oh
thought
my
it
God.
was sushi.
No, baby, it's not sushi. And there's more cheese.
What if it is in that
Sausage.
mini pack?
And there's frozen fish. And then there's thyme. Okay, we have a surprise for Tyler that he doesn't know about. Papi sent something for you. You wanna see what it is?
Wow, I want it.
What is it? What is
The
inside?
Kinder.
But you can't get it until Mama clean the package. And guess what? It's not one, but Papi sent this for you, okay?
Okay. I'm so excited.
Sure, it's okay.
Like that can have a lot of chocolate.
What you gonna say to Papi?
Thank you, Milfwa, for this surprise.
Alright, you guys, so that's everything. Everything else that's left in the bag is duplicate of what you already saw. So yeah, this is a huge haul. I am gonna go sanitize all these, which is gonna take me a minute to do, and then pack them away. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy today's big quarantine haul. Lego.
The flamenco she was.
You got oxtail.
It was the only one. Yeah, I saw these two. I said they don't look too
And
bad.
they look pretty.
They don't look bad.
Well done.
And the price is not bad.
How much was it?
Mama,
Not bad. Mama,
are you
11
trying
euros
to
something
eat
for the cookies.
oxtail?
Go back in the living room.
This one's just I take two different.
Yes, Stella.
Two different.
This is a big haul. Look at all that food. Let me see if you guys can see me. Oh, I'm trying to get a good angle. Oh, food. This is what happens when you cook a lot and you only eat a lot of veggies. This is what happens. So hey. And when you cook for your baby and don't buy processed food, so I have to buy things to cook for Sarah, I have to buy things to cook for myself, I have to buy things to cook for Tyler and Babe. And bear in mind, it's also lunch and dinner that I have to cook for everybody with this quarantine. So that's why our supermarket haul is bigger than what it would normally be on a normal day. But yeah, that's everything.